What if you could describe an app in plain English and actually watch AI? What if an AI build it for you? No starting from a blank code editor, no manually connecting a database, and no spending hours fixing every little bug. That's what Replit AI agent is promising. But can it really build something usable? Or is this just another vibe coding tool? Let's test it. Replit is an online development platform, but its AI agent has changed the experience significantly. You can describe an app or website, an agent can plan, write the code, test it, fix problems, and help you publish it. All inside Replit. Replit, let's give it a real prompt. Build a modern AI tool directory with a search bar, category filters, tool cards, pricing information, and a dark mode interface. Instead of immediately throwing code at me, Replit agent can work through the requirements and start building the application. And what's impressive is that it isn't just generating a static design. It can set up the front-end, back-end, database, authentication, and integrations inside the same project. Replit. This is where Replit gets seriously interesting. Agent 4 introduced parallel agents, so different tasks can be worked on simultaneously. You can have one task handling authentication while another works on the design or database. There's also an infinite canvas where you can explore different UI designs visually and apply changes directly to the application. Replit. And the agent doesn't just write code and disappear. Replit says agent can test its own work in a browser, identify problems, and fix them through an iterative process. Replit. For me, the biggest advantage is the complete workflow. You can go from idea to code to database to testing to deployment without constantly moving between different tools. And if you don't know how to code, you can still start by describing what you want in natural language. Replit. There is a free starter plan, which includes daily agent credits, a built-in database, and the ability to publish one project. The paid core plan is $25 monthly or $20 per month when billed annually, and includes $25 in monthly credits. Replit. The biggest problem? AI-generated code still isn't automatically perfect. Complex applications can require multiple iterations, and usage-based credits can disappear quickly when you're asking the agent to perform expensive tasks. So, is Replit AI worth it? For beginners, developers, startup founders, and anyone who wants to prototype an app quickly? Absolutely. My personal opinion, Replit isn't just an AI coding assistant anymore. It's becoming an AI-powered software building environment, and that's what makes it genuinely interesting. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews.